guys, today we're going to be smart and use mechanical advantage. Let's talk about mechanical advantage today. So mechanical advantage is literally what advantage a simple machine does, like gives to you. So say if you were to put in a force of 1 Newton, mechanical advantage of 2 would mean that you'd get 2 Newtons of force in output. So mechanical advantage is the factor by which a simple machine multiplies the input force to increase the work done. And mathematically, it's just a fraction of output force divided by input force so that you can quantify, okay, how many times did this machine amplify my work by? And that's how you would use mechanical advantage. And when you're solving for mechanical advantage, assume the least force applied for force input. And in